Am I audible, ma'am, now?
Ah, better, sir.
Vanakkam, ma'am.
Vanakkam, sir. Happy.
A very congratulations to you for securing such a great achievement. And I'm very happy and delighted. And God bless you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, this is a brief session about your journey and what student community can take inspiration from your journey, and how can someone like you who has achieved this phenomenal success, and what inspired you. So this brief session is about that. So ma'am, could
Oh,
you please take the time to introduce yourself to the community, ma'am, students community?
okay. Yes, sir. I'm Purna Sundari from Madurai. I have studied in Madurai KN PM Pillai and Higher Secondary School, and I did my BA English Literature in Fatima College. This is my fourth attempt. I have secured 286th rank. My parents, Mr. Murugesan, my father, he is working as a sales executive in marketing field. My mom, Miss Avuday Devi, she is a homemaker, and my younger brother, Mr. Saravana Kumar, who is now preparing for competitive exams.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which point of your life did you decide to take civil services as the career?
Mm, sir, for me as a as a person studied in school 11th 12th standard, I didn't know much about the civil servants, district collector, but it was my father who introduced about the district collector's role, the potentiality the position has to reach more number of people, which attracted me at that age. But later I didn't give any kind of preparation because I didn't know what to do, how to do, and all. In my college, it was my professors and friends introduced about civil service, the term Union Public Service Commission. When I entered the college, I came to know about it fully. It was the constitutional body. Okay, that is the moment I just started to rely on the preparation, and my seniors introduced about all the books competitive examination, how it would be, and the previous year question papers books. Everything was there in my library. My friends and juniors seniors supported me to read about all the syllabus and other materials. So it is being started, uh, like uh, uh, after that I just went to Manidaneyam Academy, Chennai, such a nice institution. Later, I just moved to All India Civil Service Coaching Center, Tamil Nadu government is providing. So, wonderful institution, both day and night. We sat there, we prepared with all my friends and seniors. I just prepared well in that institute. Particularly, other institutions also helped me. So this how I just entered into preparation, sir. And 4 5 years, yes, it's 5 years totally. I just uh, prepared for civil service.
Hmm. Congratulations, ma'am, for that. Ma'am, I would like to know like the challenges which you faced, like
Mhm.
because of some special challenges you faced. What were those challenges and how did you overcome them? Because you are an inspiration for all of us.
Thank you. Thanks for that. Sir, challenges, hurdles were there while I just started my preparation. For me, the person who is able to listen better, listen clearly, grasp the things through the through the years, I just wanted all the books, all the material to be in the audio format. So it was my friends introduced about the speaking software that is called NVDA, non-visual desktop access, to read the books. Also, smart work is very much needed because hard work will be there in everyone, in every individual, but smart work is needed here. So for that, they just read all the books, all the material. They have taken the notes. Those notes will be converted into audio format. They shared all the audio files to me. I just listened to all the audios, and I myself taken the notes, just 2 3 words of every material, every audio material will be in my laptop. So before the exams, I just read all the notes I have taken. So with the speaking software and the audios, I just prepared well. For that, I have to go and search for all the all my friends. Before I just see the syllabus. After I just like before seeing it, I felt I could do. When I see the syllabus, when I see the material which are available in the market, I felt very uh, like low, because how I'm going to do all these things. At that the moment, my friends came forward and said, "We are there with you. Why should you give up? We are there." So it is something which came out of myself. I can do. That is the mantra I remember always. And my friends, my parents, everyone supported me, because since it's fourth attempt for the last 5 years, my perseverance came out of my own self confidence, my dedication to my work, also by my parents, by my teachers, professors, friends, and all the institutions. Particularly during the interview, you helped me a lot, because not only for me, for my friend Priyanka also, we both came and met you. The words you said, no, still I remember. You can, ma'am, you can do. You will get more than 200 in your personality test, because before that we didn't meet. So particularly you also helped me a lot. That is my support.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, like you said that you had the audio lectures of each of the books.
Mm.
All books you had in audio format, ma'am?
Yes, mostly I have the books in audio format. Particularly, I have the Word document, PDF files. It will read out. My speaking software will read out what is there in the screen, and my other friends taken the notes. So for the some books like Lakshmi Kant and all, it was difficult for me to read all the chapters. Some of the chapters I myself read. Some of the chapters my friends have taken notes and they converted into audio form. So I have in that forms.
Okay. Ma'am, in this journey, ever you felt that this is like undoable for me or unachievable anytime?
Oh, there are many many times, sir. Like before preparation itself, I thought, uh, will I do it? Like, am I having such ability to do that? Am I having such ability to become a civil servant? Will I do it? Can I do it? So many of questions I had in my mind. First prelims 2016 I gave. I didn't clear that time. So that is the moment I started to think about other exams. It's not that I can't do civil service. It's because I needed such backup. So I just concentrated on the other exams. But 17, I just came back to civil service preparation, fully dedicated to that. But 17 and 18, my second and third attempt, I didn't get through. That is the moment, that night, still I remember, I just cried. I thought, this is not apted for me. But my voice, inside me, my voice said, no, 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 this is our dream. This is our dream. We can do, we should do. This is like an officer attitude. We should live like an officer. So this preparation is not for to become a civil servant to just clear the exam alone. It is to make ourselves more bold, more strong to do the service for the people. So uh, there are there were some times, sir, I just thought about it, but I just like came back to prepare well.
Ma'am, out of all the results, your result is like inspiration to me. Like it's like I cannot tell my happiness in my, I'm not able to say that happiness in my words, ma'am. Because your hobby was Tirukural, like used to like? Can you quote few Tirukurals on your success?
Oh, please, sir, my pleasure, and I love Tirukural. Yes, in the mock interview also, you asked me particularly about that question. So, it's uh, uh, two couplets are there. My first favorite couplet is வெள்ளத்தனைய மலர் நீட்டம் மாந்தர்தம் உள்ளத்தனையது உயர்வு. It means in the pond, in the water, we'll have many plants, particularly the lotus plant. It will grow up to the level of the water it has. Like that, every human being should have such thoughts so that their they can grow up to the water, the thoughts they are having. Like he just compared the lotus plant in the water, the pond, to the thoughts of human being. That's how a human being can become great in his life. And my second favorite couplet is this: உள்ளுவது எல்லாம் உயர்வுள்ளல் மற்றது தள்ளினும் தள்ளாமை நேர்த்து. You should think high whatever may be happen, but you should think high. It may happen, it may not be also, but your responsibility is to think high. So that is my highly motivated couplet, which I am reciting always in my life.
Okay, ma'am, many of few of the aspirants exactly they do not know like the challenge you faced, exact challenge. Could you like please tell them like exactly because they don't know you exactly. In Tamil
Sir,
Nadu, you
can
are
you
now,
please?
ma'am. In Tamil Nadu, generally people know you, but
Huh.
like many people have joined throughout, they don't exactly know the challenge, specific challenge which you faced. Could you like yourself would like to tell that?
Oh, please. So the challenges I would say, here for civil service preparation, we need such an intellectual like a kind of preparation. I have to read so much of material, so much of current affairs, newspaper. So as a visually challenged person, I faced it, but in every hurdle, I just said to me, "You can do." My parents and friends supported me a lot. So in the intellectual path, to grasp, to take the short notes, everything was very difficult, but I did in my own way. I just created all the opportunities. So it was there. And throughout the year, this preparation will be taken: prelims, mains, interview. So to maintain my strength, to maintain my stress in the minimum level, stress management, and now and then I just didn't get through. Like second and third attempt, particularly went till interview. So in the mind level, I just wanted such a strong feel to carry out my own preparation and myself. So for which I just remember all the words my parents, teachers, and professors said while I was in class, and the experience I'm going to have will be like that as a civil servant. So I just made myself to be strong mentally. So mental strength is mental strength was somewhat very difficult for me to have such maintenance, but it was needed at that moment, and I made it. Now I'm very strong with all my energy. Financially also I felt some difficulties because my father's earning is more than enough to just have my our family to lead a good middle class life. But from Madurai, I went to Chennai. Even for my monthly expense, I felt such difficulty. It was Mr. Nagarjuna sir who is working in IT, Vandalur area. He just came forward and said, I will be helping you always. This is your responsibility, not to think about any hurdles, just concentrate on your studies. So he said like that. Even before this result, some 4 5 days, he called through phone and talked to me that I want your name to be in the top list. If not, unfortunately, if not, you please don't worry, don't give up. You should prepare again for your fifth attempt. You will be getting it soon. But I'm there for you. Don't forget me. I'm there for you financially. You should not think about anything. But for me, it was just not the financial support alone, the moral support. So there were so much of challenges, really.
Great story, ma'am. Ma'am, if you permit me, I would like to say something in Hindi for you.
Oh, please, please,
Sir,
sir.
ma'am, there is a saying that छत पे जाना है, छत पे जाना है तो सीढ़ियों की जरूरत पड़ती है, जिनकी मंजिल आसमां होती है वो अपना रास्ता खुद बनाते हैं. This means person who has to go to the terrace, person who has to go to the terrace will need staircase, but person who has go to the sky will make his own path, and you have made
Wow,
your own path.
thank you.
अगेन आई विल रिपीट, छत पे जाना है जिन्हें उन्हें सीढ़ियों की जरूरत होती है, पर जिनकी मंजिल आसमां होती है वो अपना रास्ता खुद बनाते हैं. एंड पूर्णा हैज मेड हर ओन पाथ with all the challenges. I cannot even imagine that with so many challenges, generally generally as average student who has every facility, he will get depressed. But Purna ma'am is always smiling. The first day I met her and today, always smile will be there on your face. How can you do it, ma'am? I cannot imagine such a person is there on this earth.
With you all, sir, with you all.
Really, ma'am, I still remember you on the very first day, how you traveled, you came to meet me so far. I was surprised. How can someone be so dedicated? I salute to you, ma'am. I just salute to you, your determination. We are nothing. We are nothing compared to you, ma'am.
No,
You're a great
no,
soul.
no, no, sir.
You're a great
No,
soul.
no, not like that.
No, ma'am, really, like you are an inspiration. Really, you are an inspiration. And I can challenge today that you will do great work for this country, for this society, and you will prove that no limitation can limit a person who is having the vision, having the vision. Vision, eyesight is one thing, but vision, you have the vision for yourself, for the society, for the country. And people like you are the leaders who motivate, inspire the entire community, entire society to work for the society. And in despite of all the challenges, always keep smiling, ma'am. You are an inspiration, ma'am. Really, I want to thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Great,
Nandri, sir.
great. Ma'am, like, would you like to tell someone like who is facing these kinds of challenges, like how should they
Ah,
manage financial challenge and this
yes,
like differently able, like how should they go about it, ma'am?
yes. Uh, you should be the first person to hold yourself. At any cost, you should not leave yourself. You should talk to yourself first. You should be the guiding person for yourself, because ups and downs will be there in our life. We will having all the support from outside, but it is our responsibility to see inside of ourselves and talk to ourselves. Always be positive. uh, the work, the hard work which you have done will not leave you alone one day or some other day. For me, it has been taken 4 years. For somebody, it might be in first year itself. For somebody, it might be in 7 or 8 years. So it may be. So please concentrate on your positive aspects. You have more and more talents like everyone. Every individual is having such talents. So please concentrate on that. Be strong and continuously give your hard work. We will be having such recognition in one day.
Ma'am, one more thing, like in your previous attempts, you also went to the
Mhm.
interview stage 2 times.
Ah,
What went wrong, ma'am, in those 2 attempts?
okay. So for the first time when I went interview, I was tensed. I thought, I said, can I like, is it true? Am I going to be sit? Am I going to become a civil servant? Will I do it? And more eminent personalities are there. 5 different members. They're going to ask me such questions. Will I do it? Such self doubt happened inside me. So I was tense in the first interview. I got 135 marks in the personality test. For within 10 marks of difference, I just didn't get through at that time. My name was not in the final list. In the third time, I improved all my confidence before going into interview, because this that was the day I have to prepare so far, and I have to be ready to tackle all kind of questions. I mentally prepared myself well. I got 180 marks in interview, but for mains I didn't do some 2 to 3 questions well, because of time and other factors. That in that attempt, I just lost my final results within 30 marks of difference. So those two attempts were how I did those mistakes. But this time I just rectified. What are the areas I can improve better? I thought always. I just improved my presentation in mains, and also, as I said early, I was very confident before entering the hall. I was very cool and composed to them before answering, while answering. So that that was like happened like that.
Ma'am, do you remember that one day before your interview, we had a little conversation?
Huh, really, sir. You called me through phone while I was in Tamil Nadu house, Chanakyapuri, Delhi. You just talked to me. You said you are going to get more than 200. You have such a nice personality. You motivated me. So those words I remember still.
Okay. Ma'am, now I will give the floor to the students. They will directly ask questions to you. Will you permit them, ma'am?
Please.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. So, dear aspirants, now you can put your question directly to Purna ma'am, but please behave yourself. Please put one question. Okay. So let us start.
Hello.
Yes,
Good
sir.
evening, ma'am.
Yes, please go on.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes, please.
Good evening, ma'am. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
As a beginner, how should one go on to analyze previous year question papers, be it prelims and mains?
As a beginner, we should prepare well in 3 ways. First of all, we should know the trend, what's going on. For that, previous year question papers will guide us better. And newspaper, current affairs is those area very important. So we should concentrate on that first. Taking notes of it and going beyond the background of those current affairs, those current events, very important, because if president is in the news, we may have the questions of president related article of our constitution and the power and functions of the president. So it is in that way. So current affairs, it's very important. Straightly they can ask, or else from the background also they may ask. And thirdly, personality development, it's very important. From the prelims, from the mains, you should concentrate on yourself, how you are concentrating on yourself. Are you very strong? Are you very confident to tackle any issue, any stress which you are facing? So personality development is also very important.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello. Excuse me,
Hello.
ma'am.
Hello, sir. Ah, please.
Hello.
Ah,
Can you
please.
hear me, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yeah. I just want to know that how you manage the current affairs.
Huh.
How you prepared it.
So for current affairs, I just followed newspaper. I have given mains in Tamil, so I just relied on Tamil newspaper, Dinamani, Tamil Hindu, those kind of newspaper, and also documents, the magazine, monthly magazine, which are available in the online form. Those magazines, I have taken the notes out of it. Particularly, as I said earlier, my friends also they have taken notes. So I had it in the audio form. So it's better to rely on a limited resource for current affairs. So monthly magazine, it's good to rely on.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Really, I
Hello,
would like
ma'am.
to congratulate you. All the best.
Thank you. Thank
Hello,
you.
ma'am.
Good evening,
Hello,
ma'am.
sir.
Hello,
Good
ma'am.
evening. Good evening. Yes. Yes. Can you hear me, please?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Congratulations for
Thank you.
your
Sir.
success.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, ma'am, I am in second year of my graduation.
Okay.
So, is it advisable to prepare for Tamil literature optional? And what was your marks in Tamil literature in the last two attempts? And how one can score good marks in the Tamil literature, ma'am?
Okay. You are from?
I am from Tiruvarur district of Tamil Nadu.
Okay, it's better to take Tamil literature if you have such interest. You should have some passion for Tamil literature, for any literature, any option you are going to take. So it's good if you have that interest to take Tamil literature because for the last 2-3 times we are having good marks in Tamil literature, highly 350 and all we are getting. So it's wonderful for Tamil literature marks are coming well. So it's better to take our all seniors, Balachandar IAS, Mr. Balachandar IAS and Mr. Vilam Bhagavat IAS, Mr. Lakshmana Perumal IAS. Those people are really like got marks like 350, 340. So it's above 300. So it is necessary to get good service, good rank. So Tamil literature in today's trend, we are having good marks, and it is there will be a little bit of difficulties to follow all the syllabus. Our groundwork should be needed, and you are in your second year graduation, right? So you
Yes,
might
ma'am.
have such a long time to put a strong foundation in Tamil literature. You just read all the books which are there in the second paper and just
Okay,
take the
ma'am.
notes. Give your opinion, write it down, all your opinion after you read those books. That you please do. For the first paper, you have to remember a lot of things because grammar part will be there, folk literature will be there, all from Tolkappiyam till now what is there in Tamil literature will be there in the first paper. For that, you need some more memory to store. So please concentrate on second paper first, and later you just move on to first paper. Take the
Hello,
previous
ma'am.
generation papers.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am. I am from Neyveli and my name is Subramani Krishna Sharma.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am, you told that you are stuck up in the final interview.
Ah.
So, what were the questions they were asking, ma'am? You told you were very tensed in the place.
No. It was not because of the questions. It was because of my mindset. Because for me, the person studied throughout in Madurai and went there for preparation at Chennai and went to Delhi. It was my fault, I would say. It's not because of the questions. Anyway, I will share the questions now. They asked me about my parents' work and simple questions like what will you do if you are having such media, the journalist is asking you particularly about the issue, will you involve the media to that issue, situational questions like will you give an opinion like about Catalonia, the country Spain, where the Catalonia problem was the issue was there at that moment, or I was attending the interview 2017. So they asked me separatism, is it good? So other kind of questions I could recollect about it now, particularly which languages uh, very classical, Tamil or Sanskrit. So those kind of questions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, hello,
Hello, sir.
hello, ma'am. First of all, congratulations on your
Thank you.
success,
Thank you.
ma'am. There were questions in GS2 this year like harmonious construction and on CAT, so there are not very widely reliable in Lakshmikant. So how to tackle those questions?
So simply because for me this time GS2 paper was I felt the difficulty to understand the question itself was very difficult. Not only for me, when I consult with other friends after the exam, they too said the same thing. So for these kind of questions, just take a moment and write what is coming in your mind very simply. Just break up the words, and if you taken all the examples from the current affairs from the newspaper, if you have it in your notes before going exam, you just go through it, because small examples will be put in some questions as a it will show, it will increase our presentation well. So like that I just managed the questions from the picture.
So, ma'am, do you think books like TD Basu will help, or we should just be okay with Lakshmikant plus current affairs?
So what's your optional paper?
No, ma'am, I'm talking about GS paper.
No.
GS.
I'm asking about your optional paper.
Philosophy.
Philosophy. So for me, if you are having such political science or public administration, those kind of optional paper, it's good for you to take like other polity books. But for others, I would recommend polity. Lakshmikant is more than enough. It's more than enough, because other current affairs notes you will be having in the magazine format, where also you are going to get all the input. So please take those notes. If you have time, if you have interest, please go for other books.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am, prelims are around 55 days. Around after 55 days, prelims is there. What was your strategy? Like, how do you used to revise it? Means, was there any weak area of yours? Like, for example, geography as such. Means, how do you used to attempt the questions as such? Can you please share it?
Sure, sir. For me, every day is very important, but you should not be stressed about very limited days, very limited time. Take your time. Please put a very clear time, like a very clear schedule before going for the prelims. As you said, some 50 days or more. Just separate for first revision, second revision. Even in the first and second revision, your weak areas, like what do you think, just go through it again and again. For me, I'm strong, and I think I'm strong in history, current affairs, environment, and other polity area. But for me, I felt difficult in geography. It was difficult for me to understand earlier, so I felt it difficult. But I will go through it before going to exam. I will go through it once or twice. So whatever we can study all the material, all the necessary things before going to exam. But questions may be very different for prelims, both for mains also. Questions will be very different. As I said early, for the GS2, this last time it was very difficult, I said. So that's how questions will be very different. They may ask in any other part, from any part. So be strong, be confident while you are entering the hall on the prelims day. So if for everyone, confidence is necessary, because you put all your efforts to learn all the syllabus. But be strong. You should know. I did the preparation well. That's enough. Don't make yourself panic, or boldly attend the questions.
And ma'am, regarding mocks and revision, which should be given preference as such, means both should be balanced equally, or revision only?
Can you please repeat the question?
Ma'am, he's
Ma'am,
basically
mocks or
asking-
revision as
Wait, I will put your
Yeah,
question.
yes, sir.
He's basically asking that how much time we should give to taking mock test and how much time we should give to revision.
Okay. Sir, it is on your hands. If you are a person giving mock test will make yourself more confident, just go for that. Because 100 question papers my friend did before she entered the prelims call. That was very wonderful by her part, because she believed in that. For me, I attended all the mock tests which are conducted by Shankar Academy and other academies in the end of the week, Sunday. So that would be a very good thing for some other people this time. And what I say, if you are attending the mock test, the answer part, the explanation they are giving you, even in that you just mark the necessary things which you have to remember, which you didn't know earlier. So please take notes of the explanation part. Even if you are not going to attend all the mock tests, just go through the explanation part, because here everyone are preparing. So mostly people will do all the mock tests which are available in the market. So when you are giving with such preparation, you should able to make it out. What I am saying, your friend and you are preparing, your friend will be having such a nice question paper from a institution. He will be doing all the mock test, particularly before the exam, that last exam. In the last time May month, we did all the mock test. June 2nd was our prelims. So for those four question papers, five question papers are really necessary, because others might have been written well, or they just appeared for the mock test. They know the matter which are there in the question paper. If I'm not giving those mock tests, I'm competing with others. They might know the small matter which are there in the paper. So if at all we are having such question or such backgrounded current affairs event or something in the preliminary paper which we are going to have, others might done it well, but we will be losing it. So the necessary things which you have to do, what others are doing, the important mock test, the important material, the polity, Lakshmikant, everything where you should not do any mistake, you should prepare well. Other areas, let them ask, we will attend boldly. So that's how this
Ma'am,
preparation.
basically, can I say like this, that what you are trying to tell is that the standard books like Lakshmikant, Spectrum, Shankar IAS Environment, like these standard books, everyone should do, because everyone is doing, you should also do it perfectly. And some standard
Really,
mocks everyone should solve. But something which is
Ha,
coming out of blue, we should not go running after various materials, various mocks, just for the sake of running after one or two questions.
really.
Is it correct?
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
Okay. It is better to see, you all put your question in the chat box. I will put the question, I'll frame it better, and I will frame it to ma'am, so that we take less time, because ma'am has other works also. So we cannot elongate this session. So please put your question in the chat box. I'll put it to the ma'am. Okay. Anyone has any? Ma'am, the question by one person is, can an average student clear UPSC exam?
Oh, I'm an average student. Particularly, it's very important to know about something, what's happening in and around to our society. That is the main thing. UPSC, the civil servant, want to know, so that we will make ourselves better to understand the problem, understand the looking forward for the solution, and do it better. Some kind of involvement to our society. So average student, it, anyone is good to take civil service if he or she is interested in it. Interest, the passion is must. Everything will come automatically.
Ma'am, may I say basically self-belief?
Really, exactly.
Okay. Ma'am, one more thing, you said that you prepared in Tamil language.
Mm-hmm.
So can you just suggest in regional languages, can anyone crack, like there is a perception that you should prepare only in English. So in regional language, what are the pros and cons of preparing in regional language?
For regional language, most of the books are in English. We well know that, but it is difficult for to translate those terminology in the regional language. It is by the newspaper which are available locally in the regional medium will help us to translate better. So it is very good to write in regional medium because our understanding, our expression will be better. So it is good. Translation, it's nowadays with Google and with the other local newspaper, local media, it's being done. So it's better to write in regional language. We can.
Ma'am, which newspaper did you follow? Tamil newspaper?
Sir, Tamil, I read, I'm reading even now Dinamani and Tamil Hindu.
Okay, Dinamani and Tamil Hindu. And ma'am, one more thing which many people are asking is that how to keep the consistency and like confidence level throughout the journey.
Yes. Yes, that is your personality. That's how you are standing. So you should make yourself stand. It is not myself or others can come to you and make you stand. You should be the first person to make yourself stand throughout. It is by your passion and dedication. You think about yourself. You should not leave at any cost yourself. Just think about your dream. It has the soul. If you are thinking that your dream has such soul, you will not leave it. All the patience, dedication, perseverance will come in some time. So yes, that's how it is.
Ma'am, the next question is that are there sufficient material related to Tamil literature in the market, or can you recommend something? They are saying.
Yes, sir. Because in the first paper, we are having all the grammar part. There are so many online medium like Tamil Virtue University, where we have taken some notes, and Spark Notes, which is also an online medium for the first paper. I am telling, and all other first paper material. Nagu Ayya, Tamil Ayya, he is such a great man, 80 years of old, coming to Tamil Nadu from US, giving his lecture for the 2-3 months for the Tamil literature civil service aspirants. So his material is available both audio and material, printed material. So please try to catch those things which are there in Mudanmai Tergu group, in the Telegram group, Mudanmai Tergu. So please try to catch those things, and particularly other books. For first paper I'm telling Devi Rasa's book Tamilaya, and also other Sibi Kumaran sir's Focus Academy he is running. So Tamil literature material will be very enough. For the second paper, it's our responsibility to read all the books, all the novel, all the drama, Tirupavai, Tiruvasagam, Sangam literature, Kurundogai, Purananuru, and Tirukural particularly. So we can done with limited time, that is 1 hour or 2 hours for Tamil literature. We can read all the second paper books and we can give our opinion, because where we can stand well. It is nowadays questions really they are asking in give your criticism, give your opinion. Those kind of questions we are having now. So it is better to make ourselves ready to give those answers. After reading those books, just write your opinion, your view on those books. That is needed.
Ma'am, next question is that how did you manage general studies in Tamil?
General studies in Tamil, yes, as I said, we can write wonderful essay if we have confidence in our language. So Tamil literature optional paper students can do much better. I am from Tamil literature optional. So essay, yes, it is anyone can do who is having such confidence in Tamil. 2 essays are there, no, and GS1, GS2, GS3 we can highly rely on all the terms, because we know the matter better. Already we have prepared for prelims, already we are preparing with current affairs. So we know the matter better. It is the part of translation. Just note down the terms alone for international organization like World Bank and IMF. You should know Pannattu Needhi Mayyam. It's enough, because you know the content well. It is easy to write it well. So regional medium GS1, 2, 3 you can do much better. Particularly GS4 paper, my most interested paper, because ethics aram we say in Tamil. How you lead yourself, how you will face the challenges, how you will make yourself stand at that time. So those kind of questions we are having in ethics. So from Tirukural, from Aatichudi by Avvai, Bharadiyar in Kavidegal, everything will help us in writing fourth paper just to code those codes. That's all. So small things in Tamil we can code there. Yes, it will be inside you always. So fourth paper will be very convenient for us to express those answers in the paper in the exam. So please just try for it. After giving some answers, model answers, you may take it. Just give a try now. Whether you can express it well, not in the too much level. I'm telling. Just you can express a simple thing in Tamil. You may take it.
Ma'am, the next question is, your interview was in which language?
My interview was in English all the 3 times.
Okay, ma'am, why did not you opt for Tamil like language in the interview? Should we go for your regional language in interview?
Sir, I felt like I have such confidence to talk in English, so I thought I need not to make any translator in between to sit between myself and the panel. I can express well to them directly, so I have chosen the English medium for personality test. Some other my friends did in Tamil also. For them, the translator helped well. They said so. They just got the rank also. So for me, I thought, why should I have a translator if I can communicate directly to them? I let me have in English.
Ma'am, the next question is, which coaching did you go for Tamil literature?
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
Which coaching did you take for Tamil literature, ma'am?
My passion for literature, because I have studied in Tamil medium school, all Tamil Amma, and I just went for other competitions. So for Tirukural and other kind of competition, I used almost all the codes. So there is something inside me which is I would say it would be the interest or the passion. Later the trend, because in Tamil we are getting good marks, like as I said early, more than 300. It's not very easy to get. They did all the hard work. I don't know about my marks. They have to release it soon. So I believed I can take Tamil literature. I can shine. And yes, for the last 2 times I got 285 to 79 in Tamil literature. So we are getting good marks in literature nowadays. So it's better to take Tamil literature, I thought.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in general, do you want to share something with the students community?
Yes, and today Youngsters Day also. I have written in my college this thing. What I'm going to say now is, like Swami Vivekananda ji asked for the 100 youngsters to change India at that time, some 70, 80 years before. If he is if he is with us now, he would say, "Give me one young man, I can change the whole world." Yes, it's true, because every individual, the youngsters, having such power to change his life, his family's uh, uh, situation and the society. So it is not that just the youngster. All the people are going to get benefit out of his own efforts, his own efforts. So each young man, young woman having such potentiality, it is the responsibility of ourselves to find out what's there within us and where to concentrate. Distractions will be there because our age is like that. Distractions will be there, and particularly very fast moving world, we have to seek for any job, we have to settle our life. So pressure will be there, but apart from everything, it is our responsibility, our confidence to make ourselves better, for myself, for my family, for my society. I just did something. It is my beginning. I'm talking to you all with all the confidence and happiness. So, like how each one of you have more talents. Please find out and just run with all your energy. We will change our society. We will see what Abdul Kalam says. Asked for what all the people, all the great leaders done to our society. They just believed in us. It is our responsibility to give back something to them. We will do together. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. One last question, ma'am. Since you cracked some other exams also, while pursuing civil services, can we prepare for some other exams also? Is it prudent?
Yes, sir. Particularly, it is depend on our time. Nearing mains, if we are concentrating on other exams, it may affect our preparation. But if you are having some time before mains or before interview for some other exams, if we have such interest and calculative risk, as I said earlier, it should be there in our mind. So, calculative risk, if we are having other opportunity, we should concentrate on that. We should do it better. We should open all the doors. We should make it open by all our efforts. So do concentrate on other exams if you have the interest. Otherwise, please do it. With all your confidence.
Okay, ma'am, thank you very much for taking your time and coming to this online session. You will remain an inspiration for all of us. Thank you very much, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you so much. Everyone talk to me. It is
Ma'am, last one question, ma'am.
please. Yes.
Actually, congratulations for your success, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The question is, does my undergraduate CGPA affect my UPSC interview, ma'am?
Your undergraduate will affect what?
CGPA will affect my UPSC interview, ma'am.
Really not, because here UPSC interview you are asking.
Yes, ma'am. In
No,
UPSC interview,
really,
what they...
No. Just minimum level of preparation it's enough, because you might have studied some years before. So before going for interview, you just concentrate on the important things. Because if you say computer science, I might ask some questions. Like read the examiner's mind, what they may ask to you, that you should know. And you can attend mock interviews. You can share with your friends, make them to ask some more questions to you. So you will get to know about the areas which you have to be familiar with. Those areas alone you just prepare. If you don't know, don't worry. Please humbly say, sir or madam, I don't know about it. Sure, after the interview, I will make myself clear about it. Sorry, ma'am. So you politely say to them. They want that kind of personality. If you know it better, explain them clearly. Otherwise, please say, I don't know, ma'am. I don't know, sir. Sorry, I will refer to it as soon as when I finish my interview.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Ma'am, one last question. Then what is the role of guidance or any personal mentor in this journey?
Sir, please repeat the question. The audio was not clear.
Ma'am, what is the role of guidance? What is the role of guidance or a mentor in this journey, ma'am?
Oh, guidance or mentor, they are very important. If we are having, really we are blessed. Otherwise, we might, like we ourselves can do it better. So guidance and mentorship really needed. Make some person as your mentor or guide. So you may ask to them. It is very wrong to ask them every time when you are feeling, when you are really gone down. You may ask their help. You may ask them what to do next. But nowadays we are having so many videos. So much of videos are there in YouTube. I used to watch Artika Shukla ma'am's video, 4th rank. She spoke very clearly when she finished her interview, and every time you please watch her video. It was there in YouTube. So nowadays the mentorship, the guidance can be done through the videos, the audios which are there in YouTube and other media. So please go and visit all those websites. We all together make such a huge change. So it is our confidence to like lead a better life. That's all. So guidance and mentorship, it's needed, but it should be from ourselves. We should guide ourselves first, and also guidance and mentorship really we need. We can depend on other media.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you very much, ma'am, for attending this session. And congratulations once again from my side and from the entire students community. You will always remain an inspiration. Please please keep guiding us. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure,
Thank you very much,
please,
ma'am.
now it's very difficult for me to make some more hours to sit with you, but I'm waiting for my other aspirants, other friends to do well. I will support you. So we'll make some other time, some other
Yes, ma'am.
day. We'll
Thank you,
talk
ma'am.
to them again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.